Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Wilmore, local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance moving company like us, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your relocation so much easier. Our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected no matter how far you need to move. If you're ready to hire a Kentucky moving company for your local move, you need the right team. Good professional movers will make sure you avoid doing any heavy lifting. You can make your move easier with professionals. 3 Movers offers local moving services with plenty of options. We can do the packing and unpacking for you if you want a super convenient move. Either way, you'll save time and energy when you move with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wilmore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.